Welcome to the third video on how to use the CMSA scoring software. In this video, we'll cover how to add or renew memberships, change competitors into or out of the senior class, how to enter your event prizes and print checks, close the event, and send the results to the CMSA office. First, we'll look at how to add or renew memberships. To create a new membership, go to Event, Add New Member. Fill out the appropriate blanks. Remember that your club gets a $20 credit for each new membership and a $10 credit for every renewal that gets processed through your club. Then click Finish. Software will notify you that CMSA will invoice you for this new membership. Click Yes. Now that you have created this new membership, you still need to enter them in as a contestant at your shoot. To do so, you need to get their temporary CMSA number. To get this, go to Print, Invoices and Totals. Click New Member Report. You can also use this Member Renewal Report to print out a list of renewals you've done at the event. Here it shows our new member and their temporary ID number, 101201. Every time you create a new membership, it should default to this number, 101201. You can print these invoices out or save them as PDFs. Now we need to enter Bob, our new member, into the event. You'll do so just like the previous video. Go to Event, Add Edit Contestants, enter his CMSA number, which is 101201 because it's his temporary number until the office assigns him a new one. Enter what he wants to be in, then click Save Shooter Info. Now Bob is entered into our match. Renewing members is very similar. Go to Event, Renew Member, enter their CMSA number, and press Enter. When renewing members, you can indicate if their address has changed and also add or remove any family members in the box to the left. You can then review this renewal under Print, Invoices and Totals, Member Renewal Report. Next is how to change someone into or out of the senior class. This works the same way if they're changing into or if they're changing out of the senior class. Go to Event, Class Moves. This must be done before the competition begins. Enter their CMSA number and press Enter. It will indicate the change if possible, and if you want to change them, click Yes, make this change. If a person is not eligible to change, the system will notify you. Next, let's go over how to enter prizes. Go to Setup, Prizes. There are different tabs for the prizes you can enter. For our example, let's say we are giving a Montana Silversmith buckle to the winner of each class. Go to the second tab, which says Circuit Payback, and that means class prizes for this example. Then in the first place, you'll put that it's a Montana Silversmith buckle. You can enter the value of the buckle if you wish, and it will appear on the prize report later on, but you aren't required to do so. Now you can view this prize list to announce at the end of the event. Go to Print, Checks and Prizes. Check the box for Print Prize Report, then click Print. It will bring up the list here so you can announce at your awards who won and what they won. Next is how to print checks. You do that on the same screen, but first you need to tell the system what your first check number is. Let's say my beginning check number is 1005. Enter that into the blank, then click Generate. Now you can print the check register to see the entire list of checks. Click Print Check Register, click Print. It will show all the checks as well as a grand total at the bottom so you can easily keep track of it. Before you print checks, you can verify that you have your checks in the printer the correct way by clicking Print Test Check. Then, to print the actual checks, check the box that says Print Checks, then click Print. The last thing we need to do now is to close the event and upload the results to the CMSA office. Go to Setup, Settings, then click Data. Click the red Close Event button. It will ask you if you're sure. This is very important because you cannot go back into the event after it's been closed. The reason for this is that the system calculates move-ups. For example, if you have an event Saturday and an event Sunday, it will close Saturday's event and it will process the move-ups so they will be accurately displayed on Sunday's shoot information. Then, after you've closed the event, go to Data, Upload to CMSA. It's very important that you only upload to CMSA after you have closed both events and both events are completely finished. If you upload to CMSA before your events are closed and finished, it may erase some of your data. You can always send the event times to the CMSA website at any time, and you can do that multiple times. But uploading the results to the office must be done only one time at the very end. That's it for our software tutorial series. Thanks for watching.